and today I am going to show you how we can create free unlimited AI images with the help of software called Gentube. So it is very important AI tool, so we should learn this and we should also try to use this. I will go to the Chrome, I will open the Chrome, and I will type here Gentube, gentube.app. A page will open like this, and there are three options. One is latest, following, and trending. If I will go on the latest, it will show me the latest pictures that are trending right now in the whole world, and this is the name of the person who has created these images. Suppose this is Kunal, and this is small embraces, this is unsightly. So this is the idea of the people who has created all these images. If suppose I will click on this Kunal, this Kunal's image, this is the Kunal's image, and if I want to modify the image, I can also modify this image. First let me show you from the beginning. This is the latest one, and these are the latest images right now, and these are the trending images. This is the today's trending images this week, with the images which were trending this week and which were trending this month. If I will go to this week, the images which were trending this week, it will show me all the images which were trending this week. So let us see the images which were trending this week. These are the images, and this is the user who has created these images. If I will press here, I will go today. These are the images which are trending today. It will show me all the images. So suppose this is I can take any picture from here. Suppose I will take this picture, and if I want to create more, I can I can press this option. I can create more and more images like this. Suppose I will go downside, so it will generate another image. If I will go downside, it will generate another image. If I will go upside, it will generate another image of the user. If I will go the lightening option, I will press the up arrow. Let us see what will happen. I will go downside. It will give the light to the background with the light, and if I will go to the layout option, let us see what will happen. I will press the down an arrow. So there will be it is generating another image. So it will generate the image like this. If I want to share this image to anybody, I can share this image. I can share the link on the Facebook, WhatsApp to anybody to whom I want to share this image. I can share. Okay, let us go back. Okay, so I can also do the modification in this image. If I want to do any modification, I can easily do the modification in the image. Suppose I will take this image. I simply have to give the prompt, and it will change the image. Suppose if I will take this image and I want to give it the prompt, and I want to change, I can change this image. Change the background background of the above image as the garden. So let us see what will happen. We have to take, it will take few seconds. So in the back side you can see the greenery has appeared in the back side. Okay, so we can change here, we can give the prompt and it will change the picture according to my prompt. If I want to create more, I can go here and it will create the more. I will then go here. Now I will show you the main thing. I will go in the create, I will press the create option. So I will type in the prompt and I will create a picture of my own choice. A baby boy sitting in a garden. So let us see what will happen. It has created the image of a baby boy sitting in a garden. I will add a dog to the picture. So it has added a dog to the above picture. Okay, so I am showing you as I am typing the prompt, the picture is going to change according to my prompt. I will do also add another dog to the picture. Okay, let us see what will happen. It is taking few seconds, we have to wait for that till it will add another, it will again regenerate. I will press on the regenerate. Okay, so I will type here add another dog picture, add a dog to the above picture, add another dog. Okay, let us see what will happen. Okay, I have given the prompt baby boy sitting in the garden, add a dog to the picture, add another dog to the above picture. So it has added another dog to the picture. So this is how we can do this. And now I am going to show you another thing. If there is another option like character, this is another option, character beta. So here I will type a person working on laptop, a person working on laptop still in a garden. So let us see what will happen here. So it has created a picture, a man, according to my prompt, a person working on laptop stick in a garden. I can select the here gender, male. I can select his age, middle-aged, style, this, body type, muscular, hair. I can also select here short hair, male, middle-aged. I can select here. Okay, so we can see it has changed according to my prompt. So here also I can give the prompt add a table and chair to the above picture. Okay, let us see what will happen. So it has added a picture and table. If it is not created to the above person, add a their suit to the man working on laptop. Okay, so I have given here add a table and chair to the above picture, add a suit to the man working on laptop. So it has added a suit to the person working on laptop. So here we can do anything, we can modify the picture, we can add anything to the picture according to the prompt. So it is a beautiful thing about this software. As we enter the prompt, the picture is going to change according to the prompt. So just use this software, it is very beautiful software. There is no need to use another photo editing software. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this information. Thank you.